Hello everyone, this is a video to show you the chat setting features and the advantages. First, let me log in into the Omnichannel page. I'm entering the company name. I'm entering my username. I'm entering the password. I'm logging in. So I have successfully logged in into the Omnichannel page. This is my Omnichannel page. To show you the chat settings, first I'm selecting the settings menu and then click on chat settings. This is the chat settings page. You can see that we have many features and many advantages to make your chat widget very colorful and attractive. You may wonder, why should we have so many setting features? See, a website itself is an advertisement for your product or a brand. And if you have a chat widget, it actually promotes the customer interaction, which may result in the increase of sales or resolving issues. If there is a possibility for a direct chat, the customer directly interacts with the agent. He may have a curiosity over a brand, over a product, and the agent can take this opportunity to convince the customer to buy the product, or he may even request a call back. This is again another opportunity for the customer to rate the agent. Rating the agent means after the interaction, the agent can request the customer to assess his performance. He can put the customer on an IVR prompt where the agent will be rated according to the services that he has delivered. This helps the organization, the manager, the supervisor, anyone who is concerned to assess the performance of the agent. This is also a check to the agent to give out proper response to the visitor of the website. He knows that he is being monitored and he is being rated. Now let's go into the features. First feature is the chat widget. This chat widget feature helps you to add many widgets. Why should you be adding many widgets? You may have different departments, different brands, different websites, and you cannot have the same boring chat widget everywhere. So to make it more attractive, colorful, add more pep to it, we have many advanced features which will help you to change the color, to change the appearance like that. So let me now show you how to add a new widget. I'm clicking on add widget. There is a pop-out to create the new widget. I'm going to now create a new widget. I'm just entering the name to create the widget. I'm just entering it as test widget. I'm clicking on submit. There is a notification that data added successfully, which means that the widget I have created is being added and listed. You can see that test widget is displayed here. If you do not want a widget, you can easily delete it. To delete it, just select the widget that you want to delete and click on the delete icon. It will ask for a confirmation. You have to click on the confirmation and it will be successfully deleted. We'll just check it out. See, it has been deleted successfully. Next, I'm going to show you the feature for appearance of the chat widget. You can make changes in the name, make changes in the color, and save changes, and the changes will be carried out. We have some advanced features. This is about the widget appearance on your website. You can choose your appearance by simply clicking on the buttons. This is about positioning your chat widget. We have 4 positions for you: the left edge, the left top corner, the right top corner, the right edge. Again, you can just click on to enable the position. Next is the attention grabber. If the attention grabber is in the enabled position, you can go into a gallery. If it is in the disabled position, the gallery will not be shown. See, I'm going to disable it. You cannot see the gallery now. I'm enabling it. You can see the gallery now. And what will be there in the gallery? I'm clicking on the gallery, and we have attention grabbing sentences and images. You can just click on anything to choose. We also have an option to upload images. This option is provided so that you can upload the images of your brand, you can upload your company logo, or the product image, or anything connected to your business, any images. You can even add the image of your agent to make the chat widget very lively. So I'm choosing an option and clicking on the submit button. The data has been added successfully. I'm going back to show you the appearance of the mobile widget. Like we changed the appearances for your website chat widget, we can make changes for mobile widget also. You have to just click on these buttons to enable them, and you have a desktop widget preview where you can see the preview of all the changes that you have carried out. Again, click on the submit button to carry out the changes. This is the widget code. This is a simple short code provided to you to integrate the chat settings in your website. This is the direct chat link. If you click on here, you can reach the website and directly chat with the visitor of the website. I will come to this later and explain it detailedly. We are now going to move on to the on-click behavior. We have 2 options. The pop-out option enables the chat widget to just pop out when the visitor clicks on it. The maximum option will make the chat widget appear in full screen. I'm just clicking on pop out. You can make any changes and click on save. I'm going to this feature, the user and department management. You can see this option. You can add the departments which is connected to your business. You can disable it, enable it. You can do that. And then you can assign users for the department. These are the agents. If you want to assign, you can just enable it like that. If you want to take back the agent, you just disable it. If you click on submit button, the changes will be saved. You can see the notification updated successfully. Next, I'm going to the idle chat duration, which means that you can set a timing to close the chat widget. Sometimes it happens that the visitor visits the website, clicks on the chat widget, but chooses not to chat. At those times, you can just fix the timings, which will make the chat widget automatically close if the visitor does not start a conversation. So you can just select it and save the time. Now, because I have selected 2 minutes, it means that the chat widget of your website will be open for 2 minutes and then close if the chat is not prompted by the visitor. Likewise, you can change the minutes. Now this is the widget settings feature, which allows you to handle offline emails. You can show aviator, show agent name, show the departments. You have to simply enable and disable. This is time zone settings. You can select the countries and can set the timings. You can manage the timing in the widget scheduler. You can see for each day you can set the timings. So for every day you can set the timings. The timing is already set here for Monday. I'll just make a change and show to you. I'm just changing it from 7 a.m. in the morning to 12 p.m. or maybe I'll make it as 11 p.m. which means that on Monday the chat widget will be open till this time duration. You have to click on the submit. The data added successfully notification indicates that the time settings have been carried out. This is for consent form. This is the display option for the consent forms. You can add more, edit and make update changes. You can edit the content. You see the required consent form, the privacy policy link, the content messages, the privacy policy text, the opt-in button, the opt-out button. So make the necessary changes in the editing and then click on the submit button and the changes will be carried out. This is for notification. If you have a notification and if there is a sound to indicate that there is a notification, it is always very helpful. So we have 3 sounds over here. We can also customize sounds for you. This is the sound. And you can save sounds. Next is your widget behavior. We have visibility settings and notification settings. Visibility settings is where you can hide or show your widget. That is, can be enabled or disabled. If you want to hide the widget when it is an offline, then you can do that. You can, if you want to hide the widget when it is loading, you can enable the option. If you want to hide the widget on your mobile, you can enable the option. Likewise, for notification sounds, you can disable the sound notification, you can disable the browser tab notification, you can disable chat ratings. And the next feature is about availability restriction. Availability restriction allows you to show or hide your chat widget in the particular countries. You have to simply select on the countries, enable or disable according to which your chat widget will be shown or hidden in those countries. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the submit button. You always get a notification whether you have done that successfully or not. Now we have done it successfully. So these features make your chat widget attractive, colorful, and you have some sounds also for notifications. Now we go to the direct chat link, which I told you I would be explaining new detail. We are going to see how the chat widget gets operated directly in the website. I'm clicking here to start the chat. This is the chat widget. You can see live chat support. I'm giving the name. You have to assume that now I'm the visitor. I'm giving my name. I'm giving my email ID. And I'm going to just start a chat. The message has been sent. See, this is the notification that the message has been sent. Now I'm clicking on open chat. You can see the message here. Now the agent can reply. I'm the agent now. I'm replying. The reply is hello there. I'm sending it. The message has reached here. You can see the visitor of the website is receiving the reply of the agent. So they will be continuing the conversations like this, and when they conclude, the agent can end the chat. This is the confirmation for ending the chat. He has to click on yes. Now see, the visitor is prompted to rate the agent. He can give any of the stars for which there will be an equivalent like very good, not satisfactory, best, etc. Usually from the least to the best. Now if the agent is choosing 4-star, is going to choose that and click on the submit button, and there is an option saying that thank you for your rating, which means that the agent has been rated according to his skills. Now this can be seen here. See, the chat is closed. This red color cross mark indicates that the chat is closed, which means that the interaction between the customer and the agent has finished. You can see a notification here as the chat closed also. Now what about the ratings that has been provided? To check out the ratings, we are going to messaging. I'm clicking on chat ratings, where the agent ratings are displayed. You can see the customer, the date of the chat, which means the interaction date, the department. The chat department means to which department the chat had been conducted, the agents over there, and the chat rating, the country of the website where the chat was conducted also is displayed here. You can see the ratings. So these are the features that come along with our omni-channel chat product. Of course, you would have understood all the features and the advantages. Please talk to us to get to know more about the features. Thanks for watching.